In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through opening and utilizing Microsoft Copilot enabled Excel. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to Excel spreadsheets, you'll find these steps immensely helpful as you harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow. Begin by opening your Copilot enabled Excel or the corresponding app. This seamless integration of Microsoft Copilot within Excel allows you to experience a new level of efficiency and intelligence. Having opened the application, your next task involves uploading or importing your desired Excel file. Look for the Upload or Import File button, usually prominently displayed or well labeled within the interface. Button a click will prompt a new window or dialog box to appear. Once there, you should select your Excel file, typically in XLSX format, from your device. This is a crucial step as the quality and format of your file can impact the effectiveness of the Copilot functions. Double check you're selecting the correct document, then confirm your choice to begin the upload process. With your file now loading, it's time to allow Copilot to do its work. What makes this tool so beneficial is its ability to process the spreadsheet comprehensively. As Copilot works its magic, it processes the data, getting ready to provide you with insightful features, such as analysis and summaries. What's really exciting about using Copilot-enabled Excel is the suite of AI commands available at your fingertips. Once your spreadsheet is processed, you can begin to experiment with these commands. Need a quick summary of your data? Simply ask Copilot to generate a concise overview. Struggling to formulate the right function to analyze trends within your data? Request formula help from Copilot, allowing the AI to guide you toward crafting the perfect function for your needs. You might also find yourself in need of deeper data analysis. Employ Copilot's analytical commands to uncover patterns and insights that could be easily missed with manual analysis. Engaging with these AI-driven tools not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy and depth in data handling. This is where Copilot really shines, turning what could be a time-consuming task into a more manageable and even enlightening process. By letting AI assist with repetitive or complex tasks, you free up time to focus on strategy and decision-making. To wrap up, remember that utilizing Copilot-enabled Excel transforms the way you handle spreadsheets. With just a few clicks, from opening the app to tapping into sophisticated AI commands, you leverage cutting-edge tools in your everyday tasks. Embrace this technology to elevate your productivity and empower your data-driven projects. Thank you for joining me today as we explored these efficient steps. I hope this guide inspires you to integrate these processes into your regular workflow. Happy analyzing!